Léitheoireacht duine an seachtaine seo tá míid ag foghlaim faoi feck. Feck, the verb to see. And it's like the other irregular verbs. It looks a bit different in each tense. So, you usually see something when you go somewhere. So we have a little bit of reading here for you about people ar Léitheoireacht on holidays. As usual, you're going to need to look up the words you don't know in the dictionary. Fiona and I won't be doing that for you, but what we have done is we've highlighted some words or phrases that we think will be harder for you to find in the dictionary, so I'm just going to go through those now. Seachtaine Sira. Well, Sira, for Léitheoireacht, is like to do with holidays. Can you see a word in the middle of seachtaine that you would know? Yeah, in the middle there is chalk, house. Chalk, house, sira, holiday. Now, often when we add een on the end of something, it's to say that it's very small. We can sometimes even put this on somebody's name. We could have a family where the dad's name was Sean and the boy's name was Seaneen, to say he was little Sean. So seachtaine is a little house. Seachtaine Sira, a little holiday home. Innacha láva. Now you'll remember from what we learned in Mochcounter when we were learning about our area that innacha means beside. Innacha na scoile, beside the school. Is there a word here that you recognize, or that looks like a word you recognize? Look at láva. Láv means hand. Innacha láva kind of means like as close to you as your hand. So it means like right beside. Instead of just saying innacha, we say innacha láva. It's right beside us. Anuas Urim. Well, we probably remember that Urim means on me. Tá hata Urim. Tá hata urt. The hat is on you. Tá hata Urin. It's on us. So Urin means on us. Anuas means to come down from. So here we have Bíonn an grianna ag spalpa anuas Urin. The sun is shining down on us. Anuas Urin, down on us. Bhuail mé le. Now you could look up bhuail in the dictionary and you'll find it can mean two things. It can mean hit or meet, which is very strange. You wouldn't want to get those two things mixed up. When we have the word le with bhuail, it means to meet. Bhuail mé le Colleen as an Nyaramán. I met a girl from Germany. If we didn't have that le though, it would mean something totally different. If we said bhuail mé Colleen as an Nyaramán, it would mean I hit a girl from Germany. So that le there is very important. Bhuail mé le, I met. Ilor nahiha. Now you might have seen a bus before that says on Lore on it, which means it's going to the city centre. Lore means centre or middle. Now, nahiha, again our spelling is slightly changed, but you might recognise the word that's hiding inside there. It's iha for night. Ilor nahiha, in the middle of the night. Chur be. You won't find this by looking up each of these words individually in the dictionary. This is like a saying, a phrase. So chur be, at all. Ach ní raibh agla ormsa chur be, but I wasn't afraid at all. Not at all. Fan go gluisigh tú é seo. Now again, this is like a saying. We could look up fan in the dictionary and we'd see it would mean wait or stay. Clush means to hear. Fan go gluisigh tú é seo. Wait till you hear this. Okay, inis léithi mé an scéal. A wamo agus a yadó. Dia díomh ón rank. Tá mé an seo I dteachín sira. Is even lom é. Tá linn snámha, sleamhnán uisce, lúscáin, trampolin mór agus cuirt ladóige in aice lámha. Tá an aimsir go hiontach. Bíonn an ghrian ag spalpa anuas an gach lá. Ní acha mé scamal amháin sa sféir an céad seachtain. Tá a lán cóide nua agam freisin. Bhuail mé le cailín as an nearamán agus beirt bhuacalaí as sasanna. Imríomid le céile gach lá. Cúpla lá ó shin, cheannaigh daddy pobal beag. Chudal Seán, Oisín agus mé féin sa phobal an oíche sin. Thosaigh sé ag stealla báistí I leor na híthe. Bhí tintrach agus tornach ann. Buinniú get as na buacalaí, ach ní raibh agla ormsa chuir be. Fan go gluisigh tú é seo. Tráthnóna amháin, bhí daddy ag cócaráil. Chuir sé burgeraí agus ispíní an barbecue. Hí sé síos agus hit sé ina chola. Nuair a tháinig mammy amach, bhí na burgeraí agus na hispíní trí thinne. Cha mammy bucéad uisce an barbecue. An sin cha sí bucéad uisce eile dheadí. Bhí mar sna tríthe gcóire nuair a chonaic mar daddy bucht floch. Feicí mé sibh an tachtain seo chuan, le grá, siafra.